Hi everyone, this is and I will be doing a demo of the BOLO-28 Tier 1 permissions. So I will first be showing you the difference between a Tier 1 and a Tier 4 or a basic user and a root user permissions. So here we will log in as the root. We'll go through some of the basic abilities that a root has. So first off, the root has access to the admin tab, which shows us the admin dashboard, so they can have user management, agency management, all of this. So that's one of the root abilities. Another thing that they have is that they can edit and view any BOLO. So regardless of who it was made by, what agency, or anything like that, they can edit, archive, delete, view. So as you can see, this one was made by the root, and they have all of these permissions, and this one is made by the officer, which is a basic user, and they have the same permissions. This extends to the archive, which they also have the same sort of permissions, so they can unarchive and delete regardless of who it was made by. They can also create BOLOs and view all archived and unarchived BOLOs. So when we go into the officer or a Tier 1 user, we can see here that they don't first off have access to the admin tab, and then they also cannot edit and delete just any BOLO. They can only edit and archive their own BOLOs. Any BOLOs created by anybody else other than themselves, they do not have access to do anything to it. They also do not have access to delete any BOLOs. The same goes for the archive page. They can unarchive and view their own BOLOs, but with anybody else's BOLOs they can only view. And again, they do not have permission to delete any BOLOs, not even their own. But they can view all non-archived and archived BOLOs. So that